Well, guys, I appreciate you hanging out through the SolarWinds video, but honestly, it was quite frustrating for me. I'm sure it was frustrating for you. I wanted so much to give you an awesome video, and I foresee an entire training series, but I couldn't do it on my laptop, at least not reliably. And so I wanted to get a solution that would get us there. So I don't get paid by Intel, but I figured this might be a good opportunity to make a purchase that would get us somewhere where we can actually have a decent testing platform. And so I opted just to get a little Intel NUC. This has a Core i7 1260p, so multi-threaded. We'll be able to run Hyper-V on it really well. It takes DDR4 memory, which I've got here. So we got 32 gigs of DDR4 memory. And then it's got a slot, an NVMe slot for an SSD. And so we've got that SSD here as well. So that is kind of the solution for what we're going to do in order to get a SolarWinds box, right? And get a couple test servers. There's other videos that I'd like to do on different ticketing platforms and other monitoring tools. I don't want to limit ourselves just to SolarWinds. So look for a future video where we are setting this guy up and getting it good to go so we can deliver you the high quality videos that you deserve. That's it, guys. Thank you.